Enter the Miner user interface to view the Miner firmware version. If it is a version after March 2024, need to flash back to an earlier firmware version. Enter Byteon official website and click on Tool Download Batch Tool Software. Select the corresponding software to download according to your system. Click on the downloaded compressed file to proceed to the next step. Unzip the compressed file to the current folder. Find the application with the icon HashCore Toolkit, Ease, and create a shortcut. Go back to the website to filter and download firmware. Select according to the type of control board. This platform offers a wide range of installation firmware that's safe, dependable, and free to download. Firmware names may include NAND or SD. Download the one that matches your install method. Here is the SD card installation firmware tool. Please take a look. Understanding firmware names helps you easily check if you've downloaded the correct version. Return to the desktop and locate the downloaded batch tool and installation firmware. Create a new folder on the desktop named Byteon and save the downloaded firmware inside it. Click the green HashCore Toolkit icon on the desktop to open the tool, and choose Run if prompted. In the HashCore Toolkit tool, click New Group in the top right corner. Enter a custom group name and description. These can be anything you choose. Note: enter the IP range that matches the network environment of the miner. Other options can be left as default. Just click Save to continue. Find the group you just created, then click the rightmost icon to open the group. Click the mouse at the indicated spot to access the original firmware and check the miner's status. Here, you can view detailed information about the miner. The View Miners option lets you scan and display all miners within the specified IP range. Click Operate to enter. Here you can change the mining pool settings. Enter the correct mining pool address, then save the configuration to apply the changes. Click the Firmware option to enter the Overclocking firmware installation interface. Click Browse, then locate the Byteon folder you previously created on the desktop. Then click the Firmware Install drop-down menu and select the default firmware from the Byteon folder. Click the Auto Detect option to match the firmware with your miner model. Select the matched miner model, then click Install Firmware. Installation in progress. Stay tuned for the next part. Follow so you don't miss it.